Create Your Space is all about showing you how to transform a space, no matter your skill level or budget. By following our simple tips and tricks, you'll be able to transform any bathroom. So we're here in a basic all-white bathroom, and this is a really common look because it's safe and has broad appeal, but lacks that warmth and personality. In this first bathroom, we're going to show you a few easy, budget-friendly ways to transform a space. Perfect for a beginner DIYer. This simple hack of applying dowel to your vanity will bring warm timber tones to your room. Over here, we've painted over the white wall with this beautiful color called Twill by Tormans. This softens the space and complements the timber. And we've continued the theme with a shelf and a duckboard. To complete the look, we're using greenery and styling accessories that tie in with our paint color. Simple, affordable changes that instantly bring personality to your space. Okay, so here we are back in the basic white bathroom. This next transformation is for those who have a little more budget or might be ready to stretch their DIY skills. By replacing our fixtures such as the tapware, shower head, and accessories with this matte black range, we instantly give this bathroom a more contemporary look. On the wall, we've gone with a bolder color called Gulfstream by Porter's paint that really gives the space some wow factor. On our vanity, we've updated the drawer fronts DIY style, using the scalloped paneling and black hardware, providing texture and interest to an otherwise standard piece. Though we hadn't changed the layout of the bathroom, when replacing your fixtures and fittings, you may need to call in a tradie, depending on the type of fixture and your local regulations. Our last space is where we really get to harness our DIY skills. Here, we've ripped everything out and are starting fresh. Now, in this bathroom, we've decided to keep the positioning of the fixtures and fittings the same, as relocating plumbing can be costly, require specialized trades, and is time-consuming. The first thing you want to do when considering remodeling a bathroom is to mark and measure where all your desired products will go. This will quickly alert you to any problems, such as your fixtures being too big for your space. Don't forget to think about how everything will function when using this bathroom. Will the vanity cupboards open without hitting anything? It's worth taking the time to research, plan, and come up with a well-considered and functional design. And here we have it, the final look. We've used this white terrazzo floor tile, which has all the characteristics of natural stone without all the maintenance. What's not to love? We've carried the floor tile all the way to the ceiling and into the shower zone, creating a sense of space. Then, we introduced this beautiful textured subway tile over here to add interest. Adding a second tile really brings a designer look to your space. Putting in a bigger vanity provides you with more storage, and this one goes all the way to the floor. The round mirror and curved edges on the tapware all contribute to the overall aesthetic. This feature bath is something everyone will stop and admire. It's a black freestanding bath that has all the wow factor you need. We've complemented all the products with light pink styling and soft timbers. Transforming a bathroom from basic white to something that reflects your style and personality has never been so easy. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to like and subscribe.